News Fast.
It is time to add some spice to tonight's dinner with a Middle Eastern recipe. And here to show us how to make an authentic dish is Lina Jabaili from the Lebanese Plate. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks, Angela.
So good to have you back. What are we going to make today?
Okay, so we're making a Lebanese kafta.
Oh, yum.
Yeah, it's really delicious. So
What is that?
It's a Middle Eastern minced meat which combines some fresh herbs and some beautiful spices.
And you have it on a stick, right?
And you often see it on a stick,
Yeah.
but
And it's got capsicum.
I put capsicum.
Yeah, good.
So
I love it.
the
That's my
Lebanese
favourite vegetable.
version. Oh, excellent. My son loves it too.
Just putting it out.
No, it's... where does the name Kafka... Where's the name come from?
Oh, that's a tough question. I'll have to Google that one.
What do you
It's a
want us...
pretty hard question.
What, yeah, stop
I don't know why I asked
questions. Would you like us to get to work?
Yeah, so let's get started. So
What do you want me to
it's
do?
so easy to make. If
Okay,
you can
good.
cut up, just peel that onion and we're just going to roughly chop it.
Yep.
Good.
So
What do you want
since
me to
love
eat?
the capsicum,
I love the capsicum. Look, it's so bright and shiny.
we need half a capsicum.
Okay.
We're going to share this chopping board, are we?
There isn't a second knife, but let me show you a great way
Yeah.
to portion a capsicum. Thumb straight in down
yeah,
the middle.
yeah, that way.
Straight in down the middle.
Yeah.
And then you pull it apart, and that way
Oh, you legend.
you've got zero capsicum
Look at that.
wastage.
Yeah.
And then all you have to do in a minute
Is chop off the seeds.
is get rid of the seeds and
Yeah.
those veins.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to
Well,
do
if Angela wasn't taking so long, I'd be...
You said roughly chopped, didn't
yeah,
you?
no, sorry, because
Is
we're
this-
popping it in the food processor, so that's
Ah.
perfect. Yeah, sorry, I should
Now, if you don't have
I've done
skewers
enough
or you
work
don't
then.
like skewers,
Yeah,
can you
so
turn
that's
them
what I
into
love about
meatballs?
kafta. It's such a versatile dish. Once you've got it mixed,
Small, like that?
yeah,
How?
perfect. And then we're going to pop them into the food processor.
That's going to be your job because it's down your end of the bench.
So the
right?
onions, the parsley.
I'm already quite busy, Anne.
Oh, okay. Well, you know, get a wriggle on.
So we'll
Fingers
pop
to
the
the bone.
parsley in there.
Just joking.
Oh,
Goodness.
don't do that.
Just trying to be funny.
Maybe
Didn't
another
work.
small little piece. And
Okay.
that's
Yeah.
perfect.
Okay, whack that all in.
Pop it into the food processor. Yep,
That
Okay.
enough?
Yeah, that's good.
perfect.
All right, where's the food processor? All the way
So
down
just
there.
up here.
Take the whole
yep.
board. Take the whole board.
Oh, yeah, good
Yeah.
thinking. I'm a natural in the kitchen. Okay, no, it's all right. I'll go the long way.
Yeah, you go the long way.
So we won't waste these.
No, don't waste any bits. Oh, what was the herb you put in again? The green stuff?
So parsley, fresh parsley.
Excellent. Parsley.
Is a
That's
must.
a technical term, the green stuff, that I use
Yeah.
often in the kitchen because I'm such a chef. Now,
And then if we
is
can turn that on
this
and get
is-
that going.
Yeah, is that lamb mince?
So that's
Just
lamb
from-
mince.
yep.
Yeah, and look, some people use a mix of beef.
Put the lid,
How
put
do
the
you
lid
turn it
on. Put the lid on.
Oh, yeah, the lid. You better turn it on.
You've now proven that you don't cook often.
Thank you, studio
Hi, everyone. I can
audience.
come round to your house and help you as well if you'd
Thank you,
like.
studio audience, for spotting our
Yeah.
deliberate mistake.
I wondered why they were screaming at me.
They're screaming. Yeah, put the lid on. Put the lid on.
See, it's not just me.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, Elena at least knew to put the lid on.
Yeah.
Okay.
6.5 minute segment. No pressure to get this on properly.
But we're going to get
me.
someone to help with that.
Please.
Yeah.
Who knows how to put the food processor on? There we go. Meantime, what do we do with the mince? Come down here, Lena, and we'll get the mince happening.
Ah, shivers. Sorry.
That's all right. If we go up
Come down here and
here,
get the mince happening.
we'll go out of
So we're
shot.
just adding
What are we adding? That way we're going to let someone fix
Some-
that off
some
camera. It's
pepper.
very sneaky. Pepper, yeah.
some salt.
Yes.
I'm not having a good morning.
And what's this?
Yes, you are. You're doing great.
What's this?
This is what we call baharat. So, which technically translates to spices in
Okay.
Arabic.
Where do
Leb-
I buy it?
Most Middle Eastern grocers will have this.
Parat.
Baharat.
Baharat.
Yeah, and it's just a mix of 7 spices. So the Lebanese call it 7 spices.
Oh, yum.
We use it a lot in
Yeah.
many of our food, so we add that in there.
Okay.
And
That'll happen. You
Yeah,
just,
it'll happen.
just keep
It's
going
really
here.
gonna happen.
Keep going here.
so once we've got
Oh, look.
that going,
That'll happen.
Hey!
Yay!
I did it! Wow. Sometimes I amaze myself.
and then we'll just give it a bit of a mix.
Okay.
Beautiful.
I was hoping,
Mix.
Bring it
I was wondering if
down.
we couldn't get the lid open. That'll do. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
Ready?
and just a little bit more. And then we're just
so
going to
good.
pop it in here. That's it. That'll do.
pop it
Take
in the
that out.
strainer. Now, why are we popping it in the strainer?
Yep. So When you process the capsicum with
Like
the
this?
onion, perfect. And so we're just going to get all the liquid out.
There we go. We can take that off.
Oh, do you get liquid when that happens?
Yeah. So
Yeah, I'll
I
hold
see.
it here.
we don't want it. We don't want the kafta itself to be too moist.
Yes, because you won't get it on a stick.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And we've got to get it on a stick.
Good.
Whoops.
How are we going for time?
Okay. Good.
So we'll just get all that liquid out.
Okay. And then do we put that in the mince?
We're putting that straight in the
Let's
mince.
whack it in because we're running out of time and we do want to see this get put on the stove.
Well, more importantly, I want to eat it.
Yeah, there's that. Now you just stir all that up,
And I'll bring that.
bring that onto the heat. So mush all that up. Yum, this is looking good. Is that all our ingredients?
That's all it is.
Okay, so then
It's
we
that
whack it on the heat. That'll do, that's stirred
Yeah.
enough.
So, like I was saying earlier, it's such a versatile meat that you could make it into meatballs.
Oh, it doesn't have to
You
be-
can put it on skewers.
Yep.
And what my family and myself included love the most is spreading it really thinly on some Lebanese bread.
Is that what you've done there?
Yeah, and you just put it under
That
the
is
grill.
super thin.
It is so delicious.
So what do we do? Just grab a hunk,
Yep.
make it into what shape?
A ball.
Oh, a cube.
I took your other
A
half, didn't I?
Not
a
too
triangular
big.
prism,
Not too
Edge.
big.
Not too big because it will take too long to cook and you'll burn it from the outside.
And so how long should we put it on the heat for?
Like on a hot stove or even on the barbecue, like say a couple of minutes on either
Do you
side.
turn it? Right.
You do turn it,
So
yeah.
a couple of minutes on either side.
Or you can put it on a skewer. And again, when you put it on the skewer,
That's when you turn it into the shape I've seen at the...
yeah, so just kind
The
of
butcher.
mould it. If
like
you-
a paddle, like a lamb paddle pop.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's so delicious with a bit of
Paddle
hummus
pop
on the
line, I reckon,
side.
would prefer
1
this
minute.
to the ice
So
cream.
it looks pretty ready.
Whack that on, like that.
Yep.
Oh, it looks
Yours
great.
looks better.
Yum.
Yours looks a lot better.
It takes a bit of practice.
Yeah.
But yeah, with a bit of hummus on the side, a salad.
Hummus.
Yum.
So, like my kids do, just drench it in tomato sauce.
Oh, do they?
Really?
Everything.
Oh, that is
Tomato
classic.
sauce with everything.
That is classic. That'd be great.
But, yeah.
I think we should try this.
But
which
yeah,
is the
have a
thinly
taste of that
spread
one. Have
with
a
the
bit of
hummus. Have a bit of that.
Hummus
Jane.
with it.
Thanks.
I always have this in my fridge or
Dip
my
it in.
freezer.
Dip, don't dip twice.
Don't double dip. We've been through that. And I'll have a quick dip and
No.
fry.
Good, right?
No, great.
Oh, it's very good.
Oh,
With some beautiful pickles too.
Done. For more delicious recipes, you can head to thelebaneseplate.com. Lena, thank you so much for joining
Thank
us
you
today.
so much for having me.
I can't wait to eat them.
Just
Yeah.
delicious. We are gearing up for our Flashback Friday quiz. But first, it's over to Jono.
Hello there.